Hey guys, it's Rayne. I hope that you guys have all been good and that life has been treating you well because everyone deserves to be happy. Today's video is me showing you guys how to turn some pants into shorts because the pants don't fit you anymore or you're just not liking how they look on you and you want to change it up a bit. So you're going to make them into shorts and I'm going to show you guys a really easy way to do that. This video is going to be quick and fun. I hope you enjoy. If you're new to this channel, welcome. I'm Rayne. If you've been here before, thanks for coming back and watching that video. And if you're new, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. I don't know what that is. Anyway, give me a thumbs up because it really means a lot. So let's get into that video. Yeah.
So this is a pair of pants that I decided to use. I chose them because they were too short for me. The first thing you're going to do is put on your pair of pants and choose where you want their final length to be. Mark that with a piece of chalk or a Sharpie. Take them off and add an extra inch. Once you have that extra inch added, cut the pants and put them back on. Once they're back on, fold them and safety pin where you want them to be on the legs. After that, take them off, turn them inside out and hand sew or machine sew them, and then cut off the excess material. Turn them right side out, and voila, you have a new pair of shorts.
Alright guys, that is it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that it taught you something and that maybe you will take some old pants and turn them into shorts. Alright guys, see you in my next video. Bye!